differentiability and analyticity. We already discussed in differentiability, definition of differentiability in last lecture. See here, differentiability. F of z is a function dependent domain is said to be differentiable at a point z naught if limit z tends to z naught f of z minus f of z naught by z minus z naught is exist. If this limit is exist, that function is said to be differentiable at a point z tends to z naught at z naught. Okay. If f of z is arbitrary term, then f dash of z equal to limit z tends delta z tends to 0 f of z plus delta z minus f of z by delta z. If this limit is exist, then function is differentiable. The derivative function is denoted the f dash of z, that is equal to, so after simplification of this limit, you will get the derivative of the function f of z. This is the usual notation for the derivative of the function. Okay, na? Now we discuss the how to determine derivative of the function. Okay, how to determine derivative of the function. See here one problem. Show that the function f of z, okay, show that the function f of z equal to z bar, here given f of z equal to z bar is continuous at the point z equal to 0. So function is continuous at z equal to 0 but not differentiable at z equal to 0. Should show the function is continuous at z equal to 0 but not differentiable at z equal to 0. First show the continuous and next show the is not differentiable at z equal to 0. Okay, so given function is z equal to x plus iy is usual notation. So given that f of z equal to z bar equal to x plus z equal to x plus iy, it's a conjugate x minus iy. Okay, just I'm substituting in place of z equal to 0, that is f of 0 equal to 0 bar value is 0. Okay, 0 is real value conjugate is also real value, so that is 0. Okay, so by definition of continuity, limit z tends to z naught f of z equal to f of z naught, here z naught equal to 0. Okay, here z naught equal to 0. Okay, next, so f of z naught equal to limit z tends to z naught f dash, so f of z, here f of z equal to z bar, z naught equal to 0. Just I am substituting the limit z tends to 0 in the given function. So 0 bar equal to 0. The functional value and limit value, are they equal or not? Equal. So therefore function is continuous at z equal to 0. The function is continuous at z equal to 0. Next, we should show the function is not differentiable. Is not differentiable at z equal to 0. So f of z is continuous at z equal to 0. By the definition of derivative, okay, by the definition of derivative, f dash of z equal to limit delta z tends to 0 f of, in place of z, z plus delta z minus f of z by delta z. So f of z equal to z bar, just I am replacing the in place of z by z plus delta z. So z plus delta z whole bar minus f of z value z bar by delta z. Okay. So z plus, here z plus delta z whole conjugate is nothing but individual conjugate minus z bar by delta z. This is the limit. This is limited delta z tends to 0. Next z bar will be cancelled. Next delta z bar by delta z is the next term. You can substitute direct delta z tends to 0. If you are substituting delta z tends to 0, you will get the 0 by 0, 0 bar by 0. That is 0 by 0 form, is undefined form. So that's why I am substituting the along the path y equal to mx, y equal to mx. First I am simplifying. Delta z means delta x plus I into delta y whole conjugate by delta x plus I into delta y. Its conjugate is, after we get the delta x minus I into delta y. Okay, next along the path y equal to mx, but here delta x, so delta y equal to m into delta x, y equal to mx path. Okay, delta y equal to m into delta x. Just I am substituting in the, in place of delta y equal to m into delta x, and take the common delta x value and cancel that term, and after substitute delta x change to 0. Okay, I am taking the common delta x terms here, it will be cancelled, and after substitute delta x change to 0 in the given function, you will get the 1 minus im by 1 plus im. So this is the limit. This limit is depends on m value, because m is arbitrary term. Here m is arbitrary. Different slopes. Okay, limit does not exist, is not unique, because of is why limit is not unique. If you are substituting m equal to 0, you will get the 1 by 1. M equal to 1, That is a different case. M equal to 2, so different value. M equal to 3, different value. Different values of m having different limits. You know the one theorem, if limit is exist, that is always unique. But here, this limit is depends on m value. Okay, limit depends on value of m. So different values of m having different limits. If limit is exist, it is unique. But here limit is not unique. So therefore, limit does not exist. Okay? Therefore, limit does not exist. That means f of z equal to z bar is not differentiable at z equal to 0. Hence, okay, hence f of z equal to z bar is not differentiable at z equal to 0. Okay, next I will continue the second example. Show that the function f of z equal to mod z square is differentiable only at z equal to 0 and nowhere else. Other than z equal to 0, that function is not differentiable. F of z equal to mod z square is one complex function. It is a differentiable only at z equal to 0. You should show that, and nowhere else. Okay, mod z equal to under root of x square plus y square, but mod z square here I am substituting z into z bar. You know the usual notation, one formula, z into, so mod z square equal to z into z bar. Okay, now by the definition of derivative, f dash of z equal to limit delta z tends to 0 is function, usual notation. Okay, I am substituting f of z by z into z bar, but here f of z plus delta z, z is replaced by z plus delta z, z plus delta z into z plus delta z whole bar, z into z bar by delta z. So simplify this term, multiplying is simply in individual terms. After multiplication, there is a two terms are same terms, it will be cancelled. Z into z bar and z into z bar will be cancelled. Next, in the obtain three terms. In these two terms, delta z is common term. Okay, denominator is delta z. That's why I'm writing this is the one term, and next remaining term z into delta z bar by delta z. Okay, here two terms. Is first term and second term. See here clearly. F dash of z equal limit delta z tends to 0. I have some disturbance here. So see here clearly. F dash of z equal to limit delta z tends to 0. In this term, delta z numerator denominator same term, it will be cancelled, and after you get z bar plus delta z bar. Next second term will limit delta z tends to 0, z into delta z bar by delta z. If I substitute z equal to 0, okay, if I substitute z equal to 0, here 0 bar 0. Next delta z tends to 0, here 0. Okay, 0 plus 0. Next z tends to 0, 0. 0 into something is 0. If you substitute at z equal to 0, if you substitute z equal to 0, you will get the f dash of z equal to 0. Okay, at z equal to 0, the function f of z equal to mod z square is differentiable. The differentiation value is f dash of 0 equal to 0. Okay, next, if z is not equal to 0, what will happen? Okay, see here, z is not equal to 0. If z is not equal to 0, I am substituting limit delta z tends to 0, z bar plus 0 bar. What will happen? Z bar. In first term, you get the z bar. Okay. Next, go to the second term. In second term, z is not equal to 0. In this limit, delta z is variable. Remaining all terms are constant. So z into limit delta z tends to 0, delta z bar by delta z. We already discussed in the previous one. You should replace along the path y equal to mx, that is delta y equal to m into delta s. In this case, that limit is depends on the m value. Okay, that limit is depends on the m value, therefore which is not unique. In first term you get the z bar, in second term you get the does not get the single value, that is depends on the m value. So therefore limit does not exist if z is not equal to 0. If z equal to 0, that limit is 0. If z is not equal to 0, first limit value is z bar, second limit is does not exist, because of after substitute along the path y equal to mx, that is delta y equal to m into delta x, you will get the 1 minus im by 1 plus im, okay, which is does not exist. It depends on m value. So f of z is not differentiable at z not equal to 0. Okay, simply f of z is not differentiable for all z not equal to 0. It is differentiable only at z equal to 0. See here another example. By using the definition of derivatives, obtain f dash of z if it is exist for the function f of z equal to z square plus 1. If x square plus 1, its derivative is 2x, you know that. Same similar way, z square plus 1, its derivative is 2z, but we have to put in the by definition. By using the definition, let f of z equal to z square plus 1. By the definition, I am using the notation form, and after replace z by z plus delta z plus 1 whole z plus delta z whole square plus 1 minus f of z value by delta z, and simplify this whole square value, and it will be cancel 1 and z square terms, and in these two terms there is a common term delta, that is delta z will be common, denominator of delta z it will be cancelled, and after substitute delta z tends to 0 in the given function, you will get the 2z. This is the procedure to determine the derivative of the function, and if it is exist, okay na, you should check the function f of z equals sin z, its derivative is cos z, you know that f of z equal cos z, its derivative is minus sin z, okay na. Okay, I think all of you will get the how to find the derivative of the function if limit is exist. Okay, so thank you.